have to get another room, being that this is leaking non-stop. This is way better. So I wake up to use the bathroom, come to wash my hands, and nothing is coming out. You hear it, but nothing's coming out.
So just came back from the front desk. They had no idea if there was an issue with the water, but they had an issue with the water on the main floor. Had to shut off a lot of things, so they are hoping and theorizing that they just shut off something that wasn't supposed to be shut off. Yeah, they're gonna try to get by 7. That's assuming what they think is wrong. So we'll see. But what are the odds of having a leak in one room,
right,
and no water in another room on the same night?
So with that being said, they are gonna comp the room for last night. Y'all, it is almost 7 o'clock and the water is still not working. And I'm not happy because I can't brush my teeth. Well, I can actually have water and I can gargle with that, but like, I can't take a shower. And then they did ask if we wanted to move rooms again, but it's like, this is the second room. But if the water is not on, you know, a little after 7, then we're probably gonna have to get another room because I can't. I don't know how to feel right now. We're gonna pray. Today will be a good day. Every time I travel or when I'm like being consistent with posting, I get these bumps, man. And it's annoying. Anywho, yeah, I'll be back to let you guys know if the water's on or if we are gonna move to another room. And then, I don't know if you guys can hear, but I got a little situation. I got a little cold situation last night. I was not feeling that great either. My nose is more stuffy today than it was yesterday, but he just went to go get me some medicine, so hopefully it'll get it up out of me, cause yeah. I don't want to be like this the whole time. The whole time? The whole time?
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
If you know, you know. Alright, we're getting somewhere. It is currently 7:30. We're getting somewhere. Hopefully it'll be in full force in a couple minutes. Like, we showered last night, but we want to take a shower again before we start the day, and we can't do that. Like, we wake up early most of the time, and we like to get the day started early, especially when we're out of town.
A few moments later.
It is running. Right when he went downstairs to go tell him that it still was running. Of course it comes on. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Thank you, Caesar. All right. Now we can shower and get the day started.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck.
I don't know if they're supposed to look like this, but yeah, no thank you. I would still eat it though.
Mine was pretty crunchy.
What are your thoughts? I don't know if they're gonna hear you though.
That was definitely very, very solid breakfast for about $5.95.
For about $5.95.
Yes. For what we paid for it, that breakfast was not satisfying. But parties, I have no complaints.
So, this is Erica.
We're just a random group of people they found.
Yep, just a random group of people. What did you think of X-Foot?
Way too expensive for the quantity and quality.
Right. Agreed.
Hi.
What did you think of your sandwich?
My sandwich got very excited and shot all over everywhere. And the croissant and 2 pieces of bacon was delicious. I don't think there was questionably egg in there.
So yeah, I mean, it was an egg sandwich. I don't think I will be back, but yeah. So after breakfast, we came back to the room and we were just chilling. Now we are going to head back out and see what life's about.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped
Hey, you know we met Chuck Liddell?
I mean, I have a man.
Are you cheating on me? What is this? Dude, he's a fighter, bro. I don't care how much of a bounty hunter you are. This guy's a fighter in real life. Can we get a photo with your attractive husband? Come on in.
We are heading back out again. I didn't record us in the room because we literally did nothing. But now we're heading back out to find something to eat and other things. Hello. This is the coolest thing ever.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
Alright, you ready?
Things I